Hey, today I'm gonna show you my Vue project. Vue.js is a JS framework that is used to build dynamic and single-page application. Single-page application is basically an application that only uses one page, but this one page can change its content based on user activities. The power of Vue.js directive, which is some kind of quick function, examples is vModel, can update data stored in Vue.js based on altered input from user. I'm gonna show you how I made this basic Vue application. First is the template tag, which stores your HTML elements. The first element is the name element and name input. The name here is imported from name constant script tag. Also the input has vModel directive, which can alter the original name value and script tag. The second element is number counter. The count const which contains number will be displayed here. Also there are two buttons, add and subtract button. These buttons have on-click function that can either increment or decrement the number. There's also vif and velse directive that will show certain text based on the condition. If the number modulo is 0, it will display the even text and vice versa. The third element is hobby list. This list uses the v4 directive which will run through all the elements in hobbies const array. Also when we add index in v4, we can index our list like this. After the basic list, there are some checkboxes which contain some hobbies. If checked, these checkboxes hobby value will insert it into hobbies const array, thus updating the array with new hobby. Lastly, there are input field and submit button that work the same way, except user can type in their desired hobby to be inserted to the list. Second is style tag that has scoped properties, which means these styles are exclusive to the current content. Also there's this class, which can be bind in an element through vbind directive or just colon. This vbind uses class option that can be activated through boolean values. Example is when a button is clicked, it will turn to light salmon color. Third is script tag that has setup properties which indicates that we use composition API way of writing code. Basically Vue 3 has this new way of writing code. First is importing ref, which is a state that can be used to a const, so the const can be updated in real time. Below there are some lines of const, which just defines these const ref and initial value. Also below it there are consts that contain arrow functions that made all of the features worked. Basically that's how I made this simple application which contains fundamentals for further advanced project in Vue.js. Thank you and don't forget to like also subscribe. Enjoy me doing random things to this poor application.